The Chief Executive Member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Pyniaid Sing Syiem, personally visited to express his condolences and meet the families affected by the fire incident that occurred on the night of December 2nd, 2024 at Puriang village. The house destroyed in the fire belonged to Riburom Kharngi but was occupied by her relatives Goldamer, Marboh and Eurika Kharngi. It was a heartbreaking scene as the families residing in the house were overcome with emotion, unable to hold back their tears. They were deeply moved as the CEM was the first to extend immediate assistance, something they had not expected. On the occasion, the village headman, elders, community leaders, pastors and relatives were also present. The Chief Executive Member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council provided financial aid to the families along with essential supplies such as food items, roofing materials and other necessities.
Vâng. Đây.